Hello, my name is Mr. Endocrine, and I'm usually hanging out with my best buddy Nervous. I'm all over the body, from your thyroid gland, adrenal gland, and even the testes and ovaries. Throughout all these different sources of communication, I am able to adjust metabolic activity throughout the body as long as everything is okay by Nervous, because he is the brain of the whole organization. Another important job I have is to control the structural and functional changes throughout your development by releasing various hormones.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Endocrine. I'm Cardio. You and your buddy Nervous seem awfully smart, and that's great, but I'm definitely more of an athlete. I am always on the go by distributing blood to the entire human body, and I do this by consistently pumping oxygen into the bloodstream while removing the carbon dioxide at the same time. All of the blood also contains nutrients and gases, which forces me to filter through everything present in the blood daily to eliminate any waste products. I live in the heart, and I am often running through the blood vessels just to make sure all is consistently well in the bloodstream.
Good afternoon. My name is Lymphatic, and although I'm often quiet and sit in the back, I have a very important job at hand to defend and fight against any infections and diseases. My biggest home are the lymph nodes, and when ill, I often show characteristics there, such as swelling. The spleen, thymus, and the tonsils are also an important part of who I am and contribute a lot. Without all of me working in sync, it is very difficult for me to transfer and filter the nodes, let alone be able to initiate an immune response for backup. What about you?
Nice to meet you, Lymphatic. It sounds like you have a very interesting job. My responsibilities may not be as flashy, but without me, death will be instant in our world. Every day I constantly provide the body with fresh O2 from the atmosphere and discard the CO2 we breathe out regularly. I am also always in contact with my athletic friend Cardio, who helps me with the exchange of gases within the body between the blood and the lungs. The sinuses, bronchi, lungs, trachea, larynx, and lungs are all parts of me. So next time you inhale a fresh round of oxygen, you're welcome.
Hi, my name is Integumentary, and I'm one of the greatest protectors of the outer layers of the body. Without me present, everyday bacteria within the air could cause infections and viruses daily, which is why I cover the human body from head to toe with my protective boundaries. I consist of all hair, nails, and even the outer epidermis layer of your skin. Thanks to me, you have a layer to protect you from anything dangerous outside without causing any harm and making you look even more beautiful in the process. What about you?
Nice to meet you, Integumentary. My name is Nervous. Although I may sometimes be a nervous wreck, I am one of the fastest of all the organs systems by directing immediate responses and be able to coordinate and moderate all of the other activities of the other 10 systems as well. I am also very smart. I can even provide and interpret sensitive information about the external conditions you help to protect us from. My parts include your brain, spinal cord, and nerves as well. This may seem like too much for one person, and this is why I'm always working with my best friend, Mr. Endocrine.
Awesome.
Hello, my name is Digestive, and I am all over the body because I am responsible for so much. I am part of your teeth, tongue, esophagus, stomach, and small and large intestine, liver, and pancreas. My day typically starts by breaking down food materials, both mechanical and chemical. Only after the food materials are completely broken down am I able to absorb the nutrients so I can distribute them throughout the body wherever necessary. The last thing of my day is usually expelling the leftover waste from the food materials and waiting for the next meal to start this all over again.
Nice to meet you, Digestive. Sounds like we are almost one and the same. However, the biggest and most important parts of me include my kidney, uterus, bladder, and urethra. I also am able to expel waste from the body, but I must first filter the blood and remove waste from it, and then I proceed by concentrating all of my waste into urine, and then only then am I able to expel urine from the body. It definitely sounds like we would be a good match and work very well together. Do you want to hang out?
Sure.
Let's go. Yay!